A force of 150 Newton is directed north on a negative 20 microcoulomb point charge. What is the magnitude and direction of the electric field at this point? So we have this charge here. And it says we have a force going toward north, and the magnitude of this force is 150 Newton. Before I start solving this question, assume that we have an electric field going toward right. If we have a positive charge on this electric field, the force applied from this electric field on this charge is gonna go toward the electric field direction. So that's gonna be the direction of the force. However, if we have a negative charge, the direction of force is gonna be backward. So whenever we have a positive charge, it's gonna go toward the same direction as electric field. But if we have the negative charge, it's gonna go exactly the opposite way. So now let's go back to this question. So if the force is going north on the negative charge, it means that the electric field is going south. So now let's find out the magnitude of this electric field. Electric field, as we said earlier, equals to force divided by the charged particle. So it's 150 Newton divided by Q is 20 times 10 to the power of negative 6. That's gonna be 7.5 times 10 to the power of 6 Newton per coulomb. So that's going to be the magnitude of the electric field.